Hello guys, I hope you all will be fine. In this video, we are going to learn 30 most useful English sentences with Urdu translation. आज की इस वीडियो में हम सीखने जा रहे हैं 30 बहुत ही मुफीद इंग्लिश फिक्रात। वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो वीडियो को लाइक भी कर दीजिएगा और चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिएगा ताकि मेरी आने वाली हर वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंचता रहे। तो चलें वीडियो स्टार्ट करते हैं। लिख लो मेरी बात।
Mark my words. Mark my words.
ये वहां रख दें।
Keep it there. Keep it there.
उधर जाओ।
Go there. Go there.
क्यों नहीं?
Why not? Why not?
मुझे तुम पसंद नहीं हो।
I don't like you. I don't like you.
तुम कौन हो?
Who are you? Who are you?
दोबारा मत आना।
Don't come again. Don't come again.
इसे अच्छे से देखो।
See it clearly. See it clearly.
हिचकिचाओ मत।
Don't hesitate. Don't hesitate.
क्या ये तुम हो?
Is it you? Is it you?
कपड़े नचोड़ दो।
Wring the clothes. Wring the clothes.
ये बहुत सादा है।
It's quite simple. It's quite simple.
मुकाबला सख्त था।
It was close contest. It was close contest.
उसके पास कुछ नहीं है।
He has nothing. He has nothing.
वो थका हुआ है।
He is tired. He is tired.
वो मुश्किल में है।
He is in trouble. He is in trouble.
मेरा ख्याल है।
I think so. I think so.
घूरो तो नहीं।
Don't stare. Don't stare.
खुद को संभालो।
Compose yourself. Compose yourself.
मैंने कब कहा?
When did I say? When did I say?
जरा एहतियात से।
Be careful. Be careful.
वो मेरी तरह है।
He is like me. He is like me.
ये मुमकिन नहीं है।
It's not possible. It's not possible.
आप मजबूर नहीं कर सकते।
You can't force. You can't force.
वो जल्दी में है।
He is in hurry. He is in hurry.
इधर आना।
Come here. Come here.
क्या आप मजाक कर रहे हैं?
Are you kidding? Are you kidding?
क्या वाकई?
Oh really? Oh really?
मैं बैठ नहीं सकता।
I cannot sit. I cannot sit.
तुम्हारी इतनी हिम्मत।
How dare you? How dare you?